If you've ever uploaded a YouTube video, waited, refreshed your analytics, and saw 0 impressions, not 10, not 5, not even 1, then this video is for you. Because I keep hearing the same advice. Your content is bad. But here's my question. How can YouTube know my content is bad if almost nobody has seen it? Today, I want to have an honest discussion about one of the most misunderstood parts of the YouTube algorithm. And before anyone gets angry, I'm not saying the algorithm is broken. I'm saying there's something about 0 impressions that doesn't seem to add up. Let's start with what almost everyone agrees on. The basic idea behind YouTube's recommendation system is simple. You upload a video, you write a title, a description, maybe some tags. YouTube tries to understand what your video is about. Then it shows that video to a small group of viewers, maybe 50 people, maybe 100, maybe a few hundred. And if those viewers click, watch, and enjoy it, the algorithm becomes more confident. Then it shows the video to even more people. That's how we've always understood YouTube recommendations. It's basically a test. Pass the test, reach more viewers. Fail the test, distribution slows down. That makes sense. But here's where things become confusing. What happens when your video gets 0 impressions? Not low impressions, 0. Because if nobody sees the thumbnail, nobody can click. If nobody clicks, nobody can watch. If nobody watches, how can YouTube know whether viewers would have enjoyed the video? This is the question I think many small creators are really asking. Yet the response they often receive is, your content just isn't good. Maybe. But how do we know that? A bad video should fail after people ignore it, not before anyone has the opportunity to watch it. Think about it this way. Imagine opening a new restaurant, but nobody is allowed inside. Then someone tells you, people don't like your food. How would they know? Nobody tasted it. That's exactly why 0 impressions feel frustrating. Now, before we blame the algorithm, let's be fair. There are situations where 0 impressions have nothing to do with content quality. Sometimes YouTube is still processing the upload. Sometimes the video hasn't been fully indexed. Sometimes analytics are delayed. Sometimes there are temporary technical issues. Sometimes the video has restrictions you didn't notice. So yes, 0 impressions don't automatically mean the algorithm rejected your content. But what if the video has been public for days? No restrictions, no copyright issues, no community guideline violations, and still almost nobody has seen it. That's where the conversation becomes interesting. Some people believe YouTube already predicts how a video might perform before giving it meaningful exposure. Others believe every public video receives at least some initial testing. Personally, I think the truth is somewhere in the middle. Remember, YouTube isn't looking at only one video. It's looking at billions. Before recommending your upload, it already knows a lot. It understands your channel history, your audience, your upload consistency, the topics you usually cover, how previous viewers responded to similar videos, even the words in your title and thumbnail. So perhaps the algorithm forms an expectation before your video is widely tested. But an expectation isn't the same as certainty. That's why I still believe every quality video deserves at least a fair opportunity to find an audience. Another thing many creators overlook, not every view comes from recommendations. People can find videos through search, external links, channel pages, notifications, playlists, subscriptions, suggested videos, browse features. There are many traffic sources. If every one of those stays at 0, then yes, something unusual may be happening. Instead of immediately assuming your content is bad, ask better questions. Is the video public? Did processing finish? Are there any restrictions? Does YouTube understand what the video is about? Is the title clear? Is the thumbnail clickable? Does the topic have an audience? Could there be a technical issue? Those questions are far more useful than simply saying, the algorithm hates me, or my content is terrible. Here's what I think. The algorithm isn't perfect. It never has been. Every recommendation system makes predictions. Sometimes those predictions are right, sometimes they're wrong. We've all seen videos explode weeks or even months after they were uploaded. If the algorithm were perfect, that wouldn't happen. At the same time, not every video deserves millions of impressions. Some genuinely fail because viewers aren't interested. That's reality. But 0 impressions and low impressions are two completely different conversations. A video with 500 impressions that gets no clicks has received a fair test. A video with 0 impressions hasn't really been tested in the way most creators imagine. So maybe the question shouldn't be, is my content good? Or is the algorithm broken? Maybe the better question is, what determines whether YouTube gives a video that first meaningful opportunity? Because that's the part most creators still don't fully understand. And honestly, neither does anyone outside YouTube. So I'd love to hear your opinion. Do you think every public video should receive a minimum number of impressions before the algorithm decides whether to recommend it further? Or do you think YouTube can accurately predict a video's potential before showing it to viewers? Let's have a respectful discussion in the comments, because understanding this one question could help every small creator grow smarter, not just faster.